Today's systems have many features that will not only increase your comfort, but can save you a considerable amount of money. How do you pick the right one? Your dealer can help you understand what various industry terms mean and how they impact you. They can also show you Energy Star options. But most importantly, they can help size your system for maximum efficiency. You don't want a system that's too small or too large, and you'll want one with the best options to fit your indoor comfort needs. Once installed, you'll see a big difference in energy efficiency. In fact, if your system is over 10 years old, you'll see an immediate drop in your utility bill, up to 56% if you replace your system with one of today's energy-efficient models. Since your home system uses as much as half of all of your utilities, and with fuel costs going up every day, there's never been a better time to get a new system.